Hey, hello everyone. Um, I just got my GoPro Hero 11 Black accessory bundle, and which includes extra battery, the handler, which is a floating hand grip, hand strap, and quick clip, including the carrying case. So quite cool. Let's unbox it. So wow, the case is really good, and let's see. Okay, so we have user manual subscription, which is 50% off for the accessories, including the subscription, unlimited cloud access, backup, which is good, the manual handbook, and some tips and how to connect, and some GoPro stickers. So these are cool. Let's keep them back. And so this is the floating hand grip, and this is really good. So this is an item. Then we have some connecting screws. This is one. These are all the quick clip and head straps. So this is ideally a head strap which can be connected to the helmet, and this too. And this is this is the head strap. This is a head strap which can be used while riding the bicycle, or if you are enjoying in water park, etc. We have two batteries which are, I think, enduro battery, so this is good. And finally we have the camera, and so I have, okay, I think there's a cable, C-type cable, and this is a packing material, so let me keep it here. So let's keep the box here, and then let me open this. Okay, this one and one more. All right, so this is quite cool, and this is the latest model in the market, which is GoPro Hero 11, and I bought the bundle, so this cost me almost $450. And if you can see some promotions or some discounts in Amazon or GoPro, you can buy from there too. So right now we do not have any battery inside in it, so if you see, the slot is empty, and this is the charging point, so you need to insert the battery and charge it like this way. And also I think this can be taken out if you want to connect the media microphone or something like that. And also I have got case just for making sure should not hurt in the water, and you can keep it inside, just a little more safety. Anyways, this is complete waterproof, but still this can also be used as a one more safety. And here you go. So this looks cool. This one also I bought it from Amazon. There are variants of this like 40, 20, $50, so you can go whatever you want. And if you want to connect this, you can be connected like this, and you can use one of these to make sure that this should not fall tightly, and then this can go here in this one. So you need to take this rubber a little bit out and just connect like this, and then press this rubber so that it should not be open. And now the camera is ready and you can go for a shoot. See, this is really good. However, I don't have a battery inside. I need to charge the batteries first, and this is all it inside in the box, excluding this waterproof case. So I hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe and comment if you like it, and in my next blog I definitely would like to add and describe the features and the real-time shoots in my next trip. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.